Hey, I know I haven't made a video in like quite a while, so I think I decided to make one now. Yeah. So, today at school was, I don't know. Yeah. But, I think around next week or so, I'm gonna make a video with a bunch of my friends. And, yeah, hopefully it'll be amazing. Oh, and then, shit, my hair looks horrible. What's it called? Check out my eyes. See? They're blue. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, they're contacts, so. I don't know, people are like, your eyes are creepy, and I'm just like, okay, whatever. So, yeah. I think that might be it for this video. So, next week, new video. I promise. Bye!